Because when we analyzed the policy and the strategy of Germany and the United States, we were sure that starting from their goals, their intention was not to bring peace back. Their intention was to destroy Yugoslavia, to make the Serbians as weak as possible. And so if a war was necessary for that. And if you are bringing a war in Yugoslavia, you may not say to your public opinion, we are going to be the aggressors. You must say the others are the aggressors and we must defend the victims. And so you must present the thing falsely in order to the people to believe that indeed your intervention is necessary.
Bacaju avioni svuda otrove, hoće da nas bacaju bombe, avioni, hoće da nas...
Čiji su avioni? Čiji su avioni?
Ne znam, pa gore na nebu.
You will see that media everywhere in the world, despite the principle of the freedom of the press, is following the foreign policy of their own government. Media was engaged so much that it practically created events in this war.
There often is an attempt by the journalists, by the news outlets, to justify official policy. And oftentimes the facts that are presented and the sources that are selected will be those that conform to the official version of events. This is especially true during wartime, when journalists have a big tendency to rally around the flag, as they say, and to see any kind of critical examination of government policy as being akin to treason.
With very few exceptions, the performance of the press, in my opinion, has been miserable. It's been very biased and slanted, if you will, and it hasn't even done the ordinary thing that reporters should do, that is to go to all sides and to talk to people from all sides.
Jako mi je žao da takva jedna ljaga pada na američki narod. Zašto je taj narod morao da prima take falsifikate istine putem medija, nije mi jasno. Narod nije kriv. To su posebne službe koje su servirali tim ljudima navečer kad dođu kući sa posla, onda su imali šta da vide na televiziji.
To shorten the story, I quit ABC News for that reason, because I do not believe myself such thing could happen. On my own eyes, I must, how to say that, I must lie, actually, to myself, to American audience. I feel terrible.
Ce n'est pas grave maintenant pour un journaliste de dire des mensonges si ces mensonges-là vont dans le sens commun. Si tout le monde dit les mêmes mensonges, il n'y a pas de problème. Ce qui est embêtant pour un journaliste, c'est de dire des choses qui sont différentes de ce que tout le monde dit.
I think there's a kind of mentality among journalists today and maybe always, and especially journalists from North America, to see things in terms of cowboy films, of white hats and black hats. We cannot handle, cannot deal with a world in which